welcome. So if you don't know who dipnailsbyjewz is, she's an awesome YouTuber here and she has her own Instagram account, but she spearheaded and brought together this collab called Santa Sends Manis, and it has like a secret Santa type of vibe to it. So what it is there will be 12 videos from the 10th of December all the way to the 22nd of December. There's going to be 12 different ladies posting a video each day. So the awesome thing about the whole Secret Santa collab is that whoever's my Secret Santa, I don't know who they are, and they're different from whoever I got. So I actually gifted a couple items to a very specific person in the collab because I am their Secret Santa, and on their day they're going to be posting a manicure and doing a whole video on the items that I sent them. So they have to do a manicure themed around the items that I sent them, and I today am doing a video themed around the items that were sent to me by a different person who was my Secret Santa. So I'm really excited for you guys to see the things that I got. I haven't even swatched them yet. I haven't really taken a close look, so we're just really going to pick at this while on video. I didn't think about this ahead of time. I didn't plan anything. I'm just like diving head first into this, and I'm really, really excited. So if you guys are excited too, keep watching. So my Secret Santa is Nicole McArthur. I was really surprised when I got the package because it came in two different packages. She sent them directly to me from the company. So I got one from OG Dip Powder, and it came with a little note that you guys see, and I was like, oh, thank you. And then I got another package, which was these two things from Maniology. It was these nail art stickers and a stamping plate. And I was so confused. I was like, did I order this? I even checked my order history on Maniology, and I was like, wait. And then it finally clicked. I was like, oh, duh, my Secret Santa. So that was really, really funny. I love this stamping plate, and I don't have it. Well, now I do, but I didn't have it prior to this, so thank you so much, Nicole. You know me so well. And the three powders, this is like a gorgeous, clearish, shimmery foil. It has red and green. And then this is a, I want to say foily, like glittery. It's really pretty, like so much prettier in person. And then this sultry red. This one, I just love it. It's my favorite out of all of them. I don't know what it is about it. It's very mesmerizing and sparkly. I just love the sparkle in it all. So trying to figure out what I want to do, how these are going to go together is difficult. So I'm going to go with the one that my heart yearns for, which is this red. I also have not used stickers in a long, long time. So I'm going to challenge myself to do stickers instead of stamping. Stamping is like my comfort zone. So I'm going to try to work this red with the snowflakes. So I don't have much of a mani plan. So I'm going to probably do something negative space. I know Nicole is really into negative space manis. She really inspired me to do some of my own. And so I think I'm actually going to do like an ombre at the tips of my nails on like one or two of my nails. So I'm going to have 3 solid nails, my pinky, my index, and my thumb. And I'm going to put the snowflakes on my ring and my middle finger while also doing an ombre on those. So this glitter is really, really sparkly. I love it already on my first dip. It's so sparkly and practically full coverage. I almost did a French dip on this. I've never done French manicures, so I was like, I chickened out last minute, and I was like, you know, I'm just gonna sprinkle ombre it. And I haven't done a tip ombre since I changed my shape to this almond shape. I must say, I think tip ombres look so much better on pointy edges. Like, I don't know what it is about it. You can really like follow the glitter around the shape of like the free edge, and I just think it looks aesthetically more pleasing than it did with my old shape. I'm like, wow, it's so different. And this is just clear dip powder that I'm dumping over with a swatch stick. Yes, I'm like kind of hacking it. So I'm just putting clear powder over so it fills in those ridges. That way I don't have like a really lumpy dumpty nail. And I'm going to repeat everything on my middle finger, and then my index is going to be a full coverage red. I don't remember if I mentioned it in the beginning of the video, but like in terms of the collab, Julie came up with the idea of Secret Santa style collab, and I really love the uniqueness of it, because it, to me, not only are you like having to think, how can I make and put together a manicure for someone else, but when someone else picks products for me to use, how can I use that for myself? And it's just, it really puts you to the test. You don't have your whole inventory of colors to choose from and then back out of ones that you're like, oh, it doesn't work out today. No, it really put me to the test in brainstorming, because I was like, how can I pair those 3 colors together? So I know the person I sent my stuff to, like I ordered stuff, I picked a theme that I wanted, like a specific character that is holiday related, and then I purchased things around that. So I'm excited to see her video when she does it and see how she executed it and her whole thought process. Like, all of this is so interesting to me. I don't know. It's cool. It's unique. Like, this is a really cool collab. I'm almost done with the dipping part of the manicure. I'm just going to activate everything so it can harden, and then I'm going to file, shape, and buff off camera, because if I kept it here on camera, you'd be here for the rest of 2020 watching me file, shape, and buff. But I love this. Like, I never thought to use stickers in my manicures, and I don't know why I like haven't reached for them on the Maniology website, because that's where those stickers came from. But now it's really like, I don't have to do stamping all the time. I can do straight, simple nail art, like just slap them on there and let's go. Alright, so here are the stickers. They come on this small sheet, and I'm trying to figure out which ones are size appropriate for my nails, where it's not going to swallow up the ombre and then hide it. So I'm just sitting here trying to size, and I'm going to pick one up. They're not as easy to pick up than I thought they were, because these are thin. They are so flat. Like, there's texture to them, and you can tell there's dimension, but they are so freaking thin. So it makes me so happy knowing I'm not going to have insane lumps on my nails. So that first one was kind of like off center to the lower left of that nail. This one I want to be smack dab in the middle, but above the red. I just find it to be like symmetrical and aesthetically pleasing, like, and I don't want them to be matchy because that's just kind of weird. I considered putting snowflakes on the full glitter nails, but I talked myself out of it. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking my Base Bond liquid and I'm applying it all over the nail, and then I'm going to go ahead and activate that nail. So this way I don't have to do the whole dip and clear. These are so flat that I don't have to do the whole dip and clear over the stickers. All that's left to do is activate my nails and top coat, so I'm going to let that happen and let you guys watch and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you at the end. Alright, that is it, y'all. This is the finished manicure. I still have to apply some cuticle oil once it's like completely done, but this is it. This is so simple. It was so easy to do. I've really been into simple manicures, not overcomplicating it. And this is what it looks like when I went outside and snapped a photo. And then here's a photo of it in my car because, hey, who doesn't like a non-staged photo? Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed that video and that you continue to watch the next 10 days of videos of everybody who's in the Santa Sends Manis collab. I think it's really fun that I don't know who is posting what and what they got and who their secret Santa is, so it's even a surprise to me, and I'm really excited to follow in this collab. And thank you so much, Julie, for pulling this together and getting all the girls in this collab. Everybody you put together is so talented. So I'm actually going to list every single person's channel in the description box below. So don't worry, it's not going to be hard to follow along. You just have to go down below in the description box and you'll be able to see day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, all the way till day 12. So I hope you guys do enjoy it and then you do follow along and subscribe to everybody who's in the collab. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you have a happy holidays. Bye!